everybody. I've been craving bagels for quite some time, and a lot of the bagel stores here are not open. So I decided I'm gonna make my own bagels today. So we're gonna start with 4 cups of warm water, 1 package of yeast, or 2 1/4 teaspoons. 1, 2. Yeast is a little bit of a shortage right now, so I was very lucky that my friend was able to give me some. Then 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna wait till the yeast activates, and I'll show you what that looks like. As you can see, the yeast has started bubbling, and so we're ready for the next stage. We are going to add 12 cups of flour. 2, 11. Okay, now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, and 2 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2. And now we are going to mix. We are going to form a dough. So now we've kneaded, and we have a nice solid piece of dough, and we are going to let this rise for an hour. So my dough has risen. We're going to knead it together a little more. And now we're going to form this into bagels. We're going to roll it out into a circle, and we have a bagel. After all these are done, we're going to let the bagels rise for another half hour. Now we're going to boil up water in a pot with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to bring that to a boil, which is going to take a couple of minutes. The water is boiled. We're going to take our bagel, put it inside the boiling water, 30 seconds, flip it over and do it for 30 seconds on this side. Move it from the water, put it back down on my baking pan, and right afterwards we can put toppings on it. So we can either have plain, I have everything topping, or salt, and on this one I'm going to put some everything bagel topping so that we can enjoy it later. So these are all done, and I'm going to put them in the 500-degree oven for 15 minutes, and then I'll check them. The bagels are ready. They smell delicious, and look how pretty they look.